Good morning, students. In today's session, we will study about a new topic, that is stomach cancer or gastric cancer. This is a simple topic, but it is very important. What is the definition of stomach cancer or gastric cancer? Stomach cancer, also called as gastric cancer, begins when the cells in the stomach become abnormally and grow uncontrollably. This cell form a growth of tissue called tumor. ठीक है. So what is the stomach cancer? मतलब क्या है? Stomach का cells abnormally और uncontrollably जब grow होता है, ठीक है, तब क्या आएगा? एक ट्यूमर फॉर्म होता है, ठीक है. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Stomach or gastric cancer. Tumor can be benign or malignant. All these words, benign, malignant, tumor, cancer, all these words has already finished topic in MSN 2 unit of oncology. So you can refer for the definitions of these words, what is benign and what is malignant, etc. The cancer can begin in any part of the stomach. Stomach का कोई भी part में cancer begin होता है and can spread to nearby lymph nodes or other parts of the body. So what are the risk factors of gastric cancer? Infection with H. pylori bacteria, high consumption of red meat, smoking, alcohol abuse, previous stomach surgery, pernicious anemia, hereditary risk factors, family history of stomach cancer, stomach polyps, obesity, people above age of 55 years, men as compared to women have twice the risk of developing as women. ठीक है, men का men persons को ज़्यादा chances है. Then last one is lack of physical activity. Then we will do the staging of cancer. Stage 0 is this cancer is just begun in the inner stomach. Stage 1, it penetrates towards the outer layer of the stomach. In stage 2, it progressed through the tissue layers of stomach and more distant lymph nodes. Stage 3, the cancer penetrated all tissue layers of stomach and all the lymph nodes will be involved. Stage 4, it affects all the lymph nodes and the adjacent organs and tissues, and there will be recurrent of this cancer. ठीक है, मतलब एक बार ट्रीट करके उसको कंप्लीट ट्रीट किया है, फिर भी वो रिकरेंट होने का चांसेस ज़्यादा है. सो दीस आर दी 4 स्टेजेस. फर्स्ट वन में जस्ट बिगिन होता है इनर लेयर, इनर स्टमक में. फर्स्ट स्टेज में आउटर लेयर में पेनिट्रेट होता है. सेकेंड स्टेज में मोर फर्दर लेयर में पेनिट्रेट होता है और उसके साथ लिम्फ नोड्स भी आएगा. थर्ड स्टेज में लेयर्स ऑफ ऑल टिश्यू लेयर्स में स्प्रेड होता है और विथ लिम्फ नोड्स. एंड स्टेज 4 में इट विल मूव और इट विल स्प्रेड टू द अदर ऑर्गन्स एंड टिश्यूज. What are the clinical manifestations? Discomfort or pain in stomach area, difficulty in swallowing, nausea and vomiting, weight loss, feeling full or bloated after small meal, vomiting blood or having blood in stool, GI bleeding, indigestion or heartburn, loss of appetite, fatigue and iron deficiency, anemia. What are the diagnostic evaluations we will do? Physical examination, fecal occult blood test, blood and other test, barium swallow, laparoscopy, gastroscopy, and the imaging studies such as CT, USG, PET, that is positron emission tomography, and bone scan. These are the diagnostic evaluations. What are the management? The surgery is the main type of management we will do for gastric cancer. ठीक है, so we will do endoscopic mucosal resection is the first surgery. Then we will do gastrectomy. It can be complete or partial. Then Billroth 1 or Billroth 2. We will do chemotherapy. Main commonly used drugs are 5 fluorouracil and cisplatin, and radiation therapy is also preferred. How we can prevent? But it is not preventable in all cases, but we can prevent through moderating our lifestyle and changing our dietary pattern. What are the nursing management? As usual, assessment, physical examination, health education, and pre and post operative nursing care. The assignment is write the nursing management of patient with gastric cancer with nursing process. So I hope everyone understood the topic. It is a simple topic, gastric or stomach cancer. We have seen the definition, risk factors, staging, clinical manifestation, diagnostic evaluations, and the management, including surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation therapy. I want everyone to write the notes of this session and with the assignment and submit the notes and the assignment when the college reopens. Thank you.